In the summer, I worked as a residential tech. I realized that's not what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. I wasn't sure if I wanted to come here or not. After doing my research and seeing all the opportunities that Penn College gives, I decided to transfer over here.
I did not enjoy what I was doing and what I was learning. On top of that, it was an online university. It made it really hard for me to connect with people and create friendships and form those relationships that you look for when you go to college. So that makes it very difficult to learn and to feel connected with people.
I went to see 10, 20 different colleges. I saw their technology field, and their technology field was very lacking. And when I saw the equipment in Penn College, it was up to date because those are the equipment I saw when I was interning and working for companies. And that's why I chose Penn College, because they have what employers have in their company.
At my previous college, there was no on-campus housing, so you would go to your class and leave. There was never after-class events, so the college closed after the last class. To me, I feel like it should be fun. You should want to be there. When I made the switch to Penn College, there's over 60 clubs and organizations to be a part of. I hear how it never ends. There's always something going on.
It's been very easy to get connected with people once you make the move to an on-campus community. I feel very welcomed and understood, and the faculty there are absolutely wonderful, and they want to help you grow and learn and find a space that fits your needs.
I can't stand at a lecture and hundreds of students and look at a screen all day. That's not me. But here, it's more hands-on based than just constantly lectures and professors standing there and talking. Are you a lecture learner or are you a hands-on learner? If you're a hands-on learner, then this is the college. This is the college for you.
I think actually getting to be in the hospital or working on a car, whichever your major is, changes the scientific aspect of what you're learning, because just telling me how to do it doesn't always sink in.
Last year, as a junior, I went to the career fair and I ended up getting an internship with Ainsworth. They're a controls technology, and I enjoyed my time there. Career fair was coming up again. They texted me, hey, don't go to career fair, don't worry, we're gonna send you a job offer. Transferring to Penn College was definitely the right choice. I'm blessed to have a job already right after I graduate, and I wouldn't have had this job if I didn't come to Penn College.
I'm very happy with my decision to be on campus, with my decision to have transferred here to Penn College. It was definitely the right choice for me.